After the assembly, we still halfway finish. In the following, we will install the operating system. An operating system (OS) is system software that manages computer hardware and software resources and provides common services for computer programs. Example of operating system is Windows, Mac OS, Linux, etc. In this build, I will use Windows 10 for the operating system. First of all, plug in the AC power cable on the PC, video output, mouse and keyboard. After that, plug it to the wall AC power. Then plug the video cable to a monitor. After that, insert your Windows 10 flash drive to any USB port. Then turn on the computer. You should see a Windows logo in the screen. Wait until the Windows setup be loaded. In Windows Setup, choose the language, time and keyboard you prefer, then press Next. Then press Install Now. It will ask you to enter the product key. The key can be found in the Windows 10 retail box. Click Accept. Since is a new build, click Custom. Choose the drive where you want to install the Windows OS, then click Next. Installing Windows will appear. It may restart few times, is normal, just need to wait. After that, click Use Express setting. Then choose your preferred setting in the following few pages and keep clicking Next. 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 Login option. You can use Microsoft account as the login account of the PC. You can also use an local account. Just click Skip this step to do that. In this build, I will use a local account. Type the username and password. The password can be blank if password is not needed. Choose your preferred setting in the following pages, then click Next. Next. Finish the installing of Windows. But still not finished, we need to install the driver. First click the Start button, then click Setting. Click Update and Security. Click Check Update. It should automatic download the necessary driver. Then your computer is done, ready to play games.